This past winter, California had many days that looked and felt like we were in the middle of a tropical storm or hurricane. But this weekend, Hurricane Hilary is about to show us what it's actually like.
Hurricanes in the Eastern Pacific that develop and become strong are not rare at all. This is pretty typical in that regard, especially since we're in an El Nino season. The Pacific tends to be very, very active. The uniqueness here is the track towards Southern California.
As Hurricane Hilary strengthens to a major hurricane, ABC 7 meteorologist Drew Tuma forecasts warm ocean water and low pressure will slingshot Hilary up Baja California. Late this weekend, it will likely weaken to a tropical storm and make landfall along the Southern California coastline.
Drew, I've covered tropical storms and hurricanes on the East Coast, but you don't often hear them hitting on the West Coast, right?
I mean, Dustin, this is really significant. This would be the first potential tropical system to make landfall in California in more than 80 years. So you can clearly see why a lot of people are very interested in this pretty rare event.
Drew says the biggest hazard will be rainfall in Southern California. Desert areas like Palm Springs that only average 5 inches of rain per year could see several inches of rain that could lead to serious flooding. National Hurricane Center Deputy Director Jamie Rome says how much rainfall depends on how strong Hilary is when she makes landfall.
If it moves over or very close to the Baja Peninsula, it could weaken a little bit more than we currently anticipate. Likewise, if it moves just a little bit more offshore and sort of, is more of a glancing blow for the Baja Peninsula, then it might not weaken quite as much.
So what might this all mean for the Bay Area? Drew says Northern California should avoid rain from the storm, but if you thought it was sticky and humid recently,
we'll probably just notice on Monday and Tuesday of next week that the humidity is back up again. We have those tropical clouds overhead.
But keep an eye on the forecast because storms like this change quickly.